Fold a piece of jersey double and try sewing some elastic seams. You should sew in the same direction as the stretch. When you sew, you should use a ballpoint needle. It's marked with yellow. And the presser foot should be this one with some extra space for the seam. All these seams do not break when you stretch the fabric. The first one is a re-enhanced straight stitch. It is very good to sew where the fabric stretches a lot, but it's very difficult to unpick if you sew it wrong. All these cross-stitch seams are good to use, especially when you do hemming where the seam is visible. This last seam I use when I sew fabrics together. From the right side it looks like a straight stitch, but it also binds the fabric together very good and it's very elastic. But it's important to remember that you should try to sew everything correct, because it's very difficult to unpick these seams. If the fabric stretches when you sew, you can try to ease on the presser foot pressure. If you don't have any of these seams, you can always use a regular zigzag stitch.